Good morning student, this is Neeraj Pratap Singh and today we will start our lesson 3 of English book named The Little Girl. It is a story about a little girl named Kezia. So before going to start the chapter, I am going to say something to you that this chapter is related to the relationship between the girl Kezia and her father. So I would like to say something to you about this chapter. Whenever we were at the age of, means when we were at a younger age, that time our mother, father, means our parents and our guardian always scold us for the bad thing, means the thing that is not related to us, means the things that we do not have to do. So that is the story about the girl. Here I am going to introduce you Kezia. She is a little girl and she always afraid of her father because she thinks that her father is a big giant. He, means the father, always scolded her for bad things, means the thing that is not related to Kezia. In the morning, when the father went to his office, that time she heard, means Kezia heard the sound of the carriage that is going fainter and fainter. Means she was just thinking about when her father will go outside her house. In Kezia's house, here is her grandma, means grandmother, her mother and a maid servant. One day, we are just going to understand the story. One day, when there is a birthday of her father, her grandma suggested Kezia to just bring a gift for her father, and she suggested her that you have to give a cushion, means a pillow, for her father, because she always afraid of her father. If she went in front of him, that time she always stuttered, means when she was in front of her father, she always afraid of her father because he always scolded him. That is the thinking of Kezia. So what she did, she take the silk cloth for making cushions, and from three side, when she stitched three side of that cushion, that time she think that what I have to fill it with. She wandered here and there, and when she went to her mother's bedroom, that time she found there are some papers that are laying on the table. She took that paper and teared all the paper and stuffed it into that pillow and just stitches the fourth side. At the evening, when her father went to the office, he was wondering for that paper because that was the very important paper. That was the paper of a speech that he has to deliver in the next day. So they all are wondering, they all are just searching for that paper, They were asking to the servant, and his father is just shouting loudly that where is my paper. And when her mother, means Kezia's mother, went to Kezia's bedroom and asked for the paper, that time she told that I have teared all the paper and stuffed it, and means filled it with the in the cushion. So after that, Kezia got the punishment. Her father just take a rule and beat her on Kezia's palm, and that time she cried the whole night. Her grandma took him to her bedroom and told her that you will be fine in the morning, means there is means nothing happened to you. He is your father and he scolded you for your mistake. But she was not understanding about her mistake. She thinks that her father is a giant. He always scolded her. After this incident, in the morning, Kezia was thinking about why God made father. Means what did God make father for? She was thinking that the whole father that is present on nearby are giant. But when she saw here is a man, that name is MacDonald, who is living beside her house, means in front of Kezia's house. He has 5 children and he always plays with his children, means McDonald's. I'm just talking about McDonald. So when Kezia saw that man playing with their children, that time she thinks that all fathers are not same. Some fathers are very good in nature. And after that incident, she feared a lot. After some time, when after 1 or 2 days, when her mother was ill and her grandmother has to go to the hospital with her mother. At the daytime, she was with her maid, and at the night she was alone, and she always just suffered on nightmare at the night time, because she was a little girl. So that at the night she saw a nightmare that a butcher is coming with a knife and a rope, and he is just coming to Kezia. And at the night she shouted a lot that don't cut me, don't come to me, like that. Her father, who is present at the home, come to Kezia, and he took Kezia into his bedroom and just tied Kezia tightly into his arm, and just told him that do not get panic, I am here, you do not have to worry about anything. That was the nightmare, I am with you. So when she was with her father, that time she realized that how caring he is. And when she was laying in the arm of her father, that time she heard the heartbeat of her father's heart, and that time she told to him that how big is your heart. That is the main story, means that is the ending of that story, that when Kezia was afraid of her father, and after that incident he loved her father a lot. That was the story. Thank you.